Hi everyone, very quick video. Welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is the 2023 Cruise Collection 23C from Chanel. Very quick video of just two pieces. Here's the tag for this, price for this. Really cool crochet knit. Give this a try. Might be a little bit small, 36. Both. This is actually a 40, so they must be expecting it to run small. I'll let you know shortly. And yeah, so I'll give these a try. Okay, so now I see why she sized up. Definitely, I would need a 40. I actually think this is really cute. As I had mentioned, I don't like the race car theme, but I like it on this one. So open back, very cool little detail here. And I think the front's really cute. So it is black and white, not navy. And I will get the fabric for you when I'm trying on the next piece, so I'll have that shortly. All right, so the last one was cotton, polyester, and a little bit of elastane. This one is cotton and 80% cotton and 20% polyamide. So here's this is too small for me, this is 36. So it's definitely tight here. And otherwise, I think it's very cute. It has a lot of good potential. I think it's definitely my style is what it looks like in the back. And I think it'd be really cute with just some simple jeans. I just need to go up a size. So those are the only pieces I have for today. So just two quick pieces, video 3 of 23C, the Cruise Collection from Chanel.